Okay, I will say thank you to you guys because you guys are the special one, because you guys are subscribing, liking my video, commenting, and doing everything possible to see me succeed. I promise you, we will succeed. So, Mr. Beast is my inspiration. That's true. He's my inspiration. He's the reason why I started YouTube. And then he's the one I wanted to compete. And he's the one. And I'm 100% sure there will come a day where I will be the #1 YouTuber in Africa. For me to achieve that, I need you guys' help. So please share the videos. Share every video you see and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe because you subscribing, that's a help for me to achieve the goal. So let's do it together. Don't let anyone behind. So watch out for any video.